Curiosity is the foundation for travel. We want to explore, taste, try, see, and investigate other cultures, landscapes, and their varied, exciting histories. But traveling is typically not cheap and comes with its own risks. As Alice said as she stared into the rabbit hole of Wonderland, curiosity often leads to trouble. How can we protect ourselves from the unknown? Easy. In the same way we protect our health, our cars, and our homes, with insurance. Today, I'll cover all the ins and outs of travel insurance policies, including where to find and buy one. Additionally, I will share what most travel insurance policies cover. I'll also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of travel insurance and whether it's worth investing in for your next adventure. Hey everyone, 'tis I, James, and this is Via Traveler's YouTube channel. If you want to explore the world via video, you've reached the right spot. Be sure to like this vid and subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy more adventures with us. The memories we make during our travels stay with us. They affect everything from our imaginations to our taste buds, as well as our empathy and acceptance of others. But with adventure comes risk. Anything can happen, from cancellations to medical emergencies, theft, and accidents. And it's always best to be prepared. Travel insurance protects you, your plans, and all the hard-earned money that went into organizing your journey. Having this kind of coverage helps you rest easy and enjoy yourself as you plan to explore the world and nab those epic photo opportunities. When you book your trip, many sites offer travel insurance from third-party sites, but you can always research and find a company to work with on your own. Companies like travelinsurance.com or RD.com are open marketplaces where you can review many options at once, like AIG, Expedia, or Travelocity. You see, policies are state regulated, so these types of sites take all your submitted information and find you the best options for you, your destination, and your needs. They also provide you with customer reviews and experiences to determine what will work best for your adventure. This process saves you considerable time and energy because one-stop shopping is always easier. You simply choose the right policy at the right price and any supplemental coverage to suit your needs. Then there are sites like worldnomads.com that understand the challenges travelers face in different countries worldwide and have plans specifically designed for those locations. Did you eat something exotic, or do you have a medical emergency? Could a potential hurricane disrupt your jet ski tour? Are pickpockets or theft a problem in your destination? Understanding where you are going and what possible complications may arise helps you stay safe and protected all along the way. It also helps you choose a plan. While all insurance companies offer insurance for a single trip, others offer options for frequent travelers. If you plan to spend an entire year wandering the globe, you can stay covered wherever you roam. So, what does travel insurance include? Well, that will depend on the company and policy you choose. However, there are some standard protections almost every policy covers, like cancellations, delays, baggage loss, and with some exceptions, medical and emergency benefits. These are the top advantages of opting in for travel insurance. Your average health insurance plan probably won't cover a stay in a foreign hospital or clinic. So, whether it's a broken limb, an unexpected illness, or another complication, travel insurance helps ensure that you are taken care of abroad. It also protects your entire investment if you need to cancel plans due to a medical emergency before your trip. Side note, you'll want to review any plan for COVID coverage. Most companies are not currently paying out claims for those who come down with COVID on their travels, so buyer beware. Do you like to plan your vacations far in advance? Sometimes life gets in the way of our best laid plans. You could lose your job, get called for jury duty, or the area you wanted to visit could experience war or natural disaster. You could lose thousands of dollars if you didn't choose refundable airline tickets, hotel stays, or excursions. Basic travel insurance will keep your funds safe from these kinds of complications. Lost baggage and stolen goods are other significant reasons to invest in travel insurance, depending on what you plan to bring with you on vacation. Connecting flights and foreign airports sometimes leave us standing around baggage claims, wondering where our stuff went. Whether it's technology, jewelry, or footwear, we don't want to lose our high-priced items when we leave home. Consider what you bring with you, and make sure you choose a plan that protects all your expensive things. At the end of the day, the best advantage of travel insurance is your sense of security. Ultimately, this helps you enjoy yourself more and enables you to rest easy, immerse yourself in the experience, and relax worry-free. Isn't that what going on vacation is all about? A little R and R? With most travel insurance policies costing 5 to 6% of your overall vacation budget, it is both a pro and a con worth considering. On the one hand, you're saving money if you have to cancel or cut your trip short. On the other, depending on your add-ons, travel insurance can get expensive. There are a few other disadvantages to travel insurance that need mentioning too. Insurance companies are in the business of making money and ultimately don't really want to pay out on claims. There is always a chance your insurance provider will deny you coverage or claim reimbursement, so be sure to consider the right add-ons when selecting the plan. Are you planning on hiking, biking, water sports, or other outdoor activities? You'll want to ensure the medical plan covers injuries on such active excursions. Have a pre-existing condition? Before accepting a plan, check if the insurance will cover you, or if you need additional coverage to help you in case of your asthma or IBS flare-ups. My biggest piece of advice is to read the plan. All of it. It can be a pain. It could also save you a mint. Whether a technicality or a loophole, you must read the fine print of any policy you purchase. Those terms and conditions pages are lengthy, but it could save you a giant headache or disappointment later on. So, is travel insurance worth it? Well, there is certainly a solid case to buy, as the pros outweigh the cons here. This is especially true if you're traveling overseas, looking to indulge in extreme sports, have a pre-existing medical condition, or are headed somewhere you've never been before and can't anticipate the concerns that may pop up. Almost every travel expert, self included, suggests purchasing travel insurance simply because it's better to be safe than sorry. You work hard to find the time off and to fund these big trips. Is it worth the extra 5 to 6% of the cost to cover the unknown? While that's all up to you, we here at Via Travelers certainly think so. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. Travel insurance explained. Hopefully we helped answer your most pressing questions on this subject. Once you're informed, you can make the best decisions for yourself. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep up with our latest travel adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.